What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. Now today's video we have a case for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now these cases were provided by Poetic. Big shout out to them for sending these out for review. So let's go ahead and start with the first case. So right off the bat, Poetic cases always come in a nice blue box with San Francisco orange branding there. This is the San Francisco Bridge or Bay Bridge, and this is part of like the city because they are located in San Francisco. So let's go ahead and remove the case from its packaging. Inside the packaging you are going to get your installation guide there. Make sure you read it and follow the directions. Bam. And you are going to get the case itself in a little plastic baggie. And look at this rugged case here. Bam, looks very, very cool. Now right off the back, these things right here are super rubbery and grippy because the plastic baggie would not come off of it. So it looks very, very good. You do have the Poetic P branding there. You do have Poetic branding there. At the bottom of the phone you have all your proper cutouts. On the right side of the phone you do have your volume rocker, power button, and these super raised edges here for added grip. On the top of the phone you have your two mic cutouts. On the right side of the phone you have nothing, just this raised grip bumper protection there. And you do have military drop standard protection there. It says it right there. And you do have your typical kickstand. Bam, there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and place this on the phone. Now check this out right here. You do have this cutout there. So this is where I believe they want you to peel back the case here. Now this is a two-piece case. You do have the flimsy plastic that goes over the front portion of the phone, and you do have the hard plastic shell with soft rubbery TPU along the edges for added drop protection. And inside you can see all that drop protection, shock absorption design inside the case. Let's go ahead and grab the Galaxy Note 10 plastic frame first, clip it along the side of the phone, and you just kindly just insert it into the case and snap the bottom portion in place. Bam, 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 boom, 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 walla walla, bing, bam, and there you have it. Now be careful if you have a white stone dome screen protector, you don't want to raise it up. I do have one currently installed, and this does play nice with your white stone dome screen protector there. No issues there. It just nicely lines along the side of that white stone dome screen protector. Now you do have a raised lip there for your camera protection there. You have a huge raised lip there, which looks good. It's going to protect your cameras. And you do have a raised lip at the top and bottom of the phone, and you do have these added cushion bumpers along the side. So this is going to protect your Galaxy Note 10 from any falls or any minor drops, or even maybe a major drop, because this is military grade standard drop protection. So this should withstand that drop. Look at that, looks very, very good. Now let's see if it charges. And bam, it wirelessly charges through the case, so no issues there. Look at that, bam, looks very, very rugged. If you like this case, link will be in the description below. This case is $16.95 with Prime shipping on Amazon. Link will be in the description below. Now let's see how easily we can remove this case. So you do have that cut out there in the corner, and you kind of just peel back the case itself, and voila, look at that, bam, pop that case off, pop this plastic off, bam, and there you have it. Now let's take a look at probably one of my favorite cases of the year. I do have this case for the OnePlus 7 Pro, and now I have it for the Note 10 Plus. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic covering. Now this is the Affinity case. You do have Poetic branding there, and you have this honeycomb design around the edge of the phone on the back panel right there with this frosted kind of look to it. On the top you have your mic cutouts there. On the side you have your covered volume rocker and your power button. On the bottom you have all your proper cutouts, your mic, charging port, speaker, and your S Pen. And on the right side, nothing. On the back, your camera cutout and flash and sensors. And let's go ahead and insert this phone into this case. Bam! Look at this, look at this, look at this. Woo, look at this. This looks very, very nice. I love this case. I absolutely love this case. This case is available for $12.95 with Prime shipping. Link will be in the description below to this case. It is the Poetic Affinity case. You can see the Samsung branding there, but this looks very, very good. Your cutouts are there, nicely aligned. I don't see nothing wrong with the cutouts, and your S Pen, of course, is nice and easily accessible. Your mic cutouts on the top are nicely aligned as well. The buttons are nice and tactile, very responsive, very, very easily pressed. And wireless charging. Bam! It wirelessly charges through the case. There you have it, guys. These are the two cases from Poetic. You have the rugged case with kickstand, and you do have the Affinity, which is a premium hybrid case that I absolutely love the design and look of this case. This one's $12.95, this one's $16.95. Links to both of these cases will be in the description below. If you have any questions in regards to the case or the phone itself, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.